The alarm clock rings, a jarring sound that pulls you from the depths of sleep. It's a rude awakening, signaling the start of another day filled with demands and responsibilities. You silence it, desperately clinging to the last vestiges of rest, but the morning fog lingers. A heavy blanket of sleepiness that refuses to lift. It's a familiar heaviness, a persistent feeling of fatigue that clings to you, even after a full night's rest. You stretch, hoping to shake it off, but the exhaustion remains. You're not alone in this struggle. In our busy world where schedules are packed and stress levels are high, waking up tired has become the new normal, a shared experience for so many. And amidst the chaos, self-care often gets pushed aside, relegated to the bottom of the to-do list, a forgotten luxury in the face of pressing deadlines and endless obligations. But what if, instead of adding more tasks to your already overflowing plate, you reclaim just 5 minutes for yourself, a mere 5 minutes carved out from the morning rush, dedicated solely to your well-being? A simple, gentle yoga practice, a mindful movement sequence designed to awaken your body and mind, gently coaxing you into the day. No fancy equipment needed, no expensive studio memberships required. Just you in your comfortable clothes, ready to embrace the present moment, exactly as you are. Find a comfortable spot in your home, a quiet corner where you can connect with yourself, and let's begin this journey of self-discovery. This is your time to reset your intentions, to breathe deeply and intentionally, and step into your day with a newfound sense of clarity, a surge of energy, and a feeling of calm that will carry you through whatever challenges lie ahead. As the first light of day graces your space, find a comfortable seat. Allow yourself to settle onto your mat or cushion, grounding yourself in this present moment. Sit comfortably, spine tall. Imagine a gentle string pulling you upwards from the crown of your head, encouraging length and openness in your posture. Close your eyes and notice your breath. Don't try to change it, simply observe. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Acknowledge the rhythm of your body, the subtle dance of life within you. Let your breath be your anchor, drawing you deeper into the stillness of the present. Now, let's gently awaken the neck. Drop your chin to your chest, feeling a stretch along the back of your neck. Allow the weight of your head to release any tension held there. Then gently roll each ear to its shoulder, releasing tension. Move slowly and mindfully, paying attention to any areas of tightness or discomfort. Breathe deeply as you stretch, allowing the breath to guide you and deepen the release. Next, we'll address the shoulders. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, squeezing them tightly. Exhale, let them drop with a sigh. Repeat, feeling stress melt away. Notice the release of tension in your upper back and neck as you let go. Roll your shoulders in slow circles, opening your chest and heart. Feel the expansion in your chest as you draw your shoulders back and down. Now let's transition to all fours. Move to hands and knees for cat-cow. Ensure your wrists are aligned under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Inhale, arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your gaze towards the ceiling. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your tailbone down. This is cat pose. Flow with your breath, moving seamlessly between cat and cow, awakening your spine and inviting fresh energy into your body. Feel the gentle massage of your internal organs as you move. Linger where it feels good. This is your gentle check-in. Take a moment to appreciate the sensations in your body. You're preparing your body to support you with ease all day. By taking these few moments to connect with your breath and body, you're setting the stage for a day filled with presence, energy, and well-being. From tabletop, tuck your toes and lift your hips into downward-facing dog. Pedal your feet, waking up your legs. Let your head hang, releasing neck tension. Breathe deeply, feeling energy flow from hands to tailbone. Walk your feet to your hands, folding forward. Bend your knees, let your upper body hang. Sway gently, decompressing your spine and calming your mind. The goal isn't perfection, just release and ease. You're showing up for yourself, and that's enough. Press your feet into the ground and slowly roll up to standing, stacking your spine. Stand tall in mountain pose, arms by your sides, feeling grounded and open. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, grab your left wrist and stretch right. Breathe into your side, creating space and energy. Inhale to center, then stretch left, holding your right wrist. Feel the length and vitality in your body. Release your arms, notice the warmth and calm you've created. As we gently draw this practice to a close, return to a comfortable seat. Allow your spine to be tall, yet relaxed. Feel the support beneath you. grounding you in this present moment. Let's take a few more moments to fully integrate the benefits of this brief meditation. Close your eyes softly, if they aren't already, and notice your breath, deeper, smoother now. Observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the subtle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. Each inhale brings in fresh energy. Each exhale releases any lingering tension. Acknowledge your effort. You carved out these precious 5 minutes from your busy schedule. You gave yourself this gift of stillness and self-care. Recognize the commitment you made to your well-being. Bring your hands to your heart, feeling gratitude for your body, this incredible vessel that carries you through life. Feel gratitude for this new day, filled with possibilities and opportunities. Let your heart be open to receive all the good that is coming your way. Take a final deep breath, filling your lungs with life-giving air. As you exhale, bow your head gently in thanks to yourself, for showing up, for being present, for prioritizing your inner peace. You've set a positive tone for your day, calm, centered, and empowered. Carry this feeling with you as you transition into your daily activities. Let it be a reminder of your inner strength and resilience. Remember, you can return to this feeling anytime, anywhere. Simply close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and reconnect with your inner stillness. Step into your day refreshed and ready to embrace whatever comes your way. You've earned it.